Hello, if you are interested in a wall clock, because the modern clock design to represent some of the most iconic pieces from a different era. I bring for you a lot of different designs and color of wall clock and different shape. Like as you see, the time will really fly if you have the basically magical sparrow clock. The another clock that is also a creative cuckoo clock. The other is a vibrant pendulum clock or drawback of the cuckoo clock. There is a butterfly clock also very beautiful and design. These are also knitted cotton clocks, very good and amazing. The different clocks wall clock picture that you see in this picture related are to this is manifold clock is also incredible. The other is a simply called a minimalist wall clock that is very beautiful. The designs are so amazing as you see. A stunning sunny clock also present in this picture are like a constant moon glass are these or as you see the long flexible hands of the lathe clock also include in this video different birds clock simple clock picture and these are amazing and so beautiful. Now there is a wall wonder clock. Wall wonder clocks. It's oak, laminate, and brass construction. Will fit in even in the most stylish of the homes. This clock looks amazing and design and very beautiful as you see a butterfly clock. What that is the time except the floating of the series of butterfly on passing breeze. These are different types of wall clock as you see in this video. Around about 36 different wall clock design. That is a bicycle shape wall clock that looks amazing. These are wall shell clock that is also a leaf wall clock as you see, and this is also a butterfly types of a design. That's also as you see the round shape clocks in this picture. There's also a circle and another is a leaf clock. Please like share this video with friends.